To those of you who are loyal to the Decepticon principles, I offer you this. Should you find the one behind this, feel free to ask him any question you would have for me, and I will gladly answer them. Though I may not look like myself, you will surely get a response directly from me, Megatron, leader of the Decepticons. And in that accursed James Roberts works Captain of the Lost Light. So to Auto Assembly, I will see you there. Till next Friday, your days are numbered, James Roberts. Well, numbered so much as till I can ask you the questions that I seek answers to. Until then, for all the rest of you, I look forward to meeting each and every one of you. So please, do not feel afraid to come up and say, hello. Is your name Megatron? For certainly it is, and I am always eager to meet each and every one of you. So, bring on the auto assembly.